She was already a household name in Telugu cinema before making her Hindi film debut in last year's comedy Khel Khel Mein. Yes, I'm talking about Pragya Jaiswal, a Filmfare and South Indian International Award winner who's turning heads in B-Town. After stealing scenes with the likes of Akshay Kumar, Fardeen Khan, Tapsi Pannu and Vani Kapoor, Pragya recently turned heads in the pan-India blockbuster Daku Maharaj.
Hi, my name is Pragya Jaiswal and you're watching AVS TV.
Pragya, you're known for blending different characters so effortlessly. Tell me, what do you look for in a script before you say yes to a project?
There are many factors that kind of go into saying yes or no for a film, but I know that for me personally, there are many times that you go to a person's office even before the narration begins. You know ki yahan to pause. I'm a very energy sensitive person. So I vibe. I'm like, there's a lot of positivity in this office. I already feel like these are good people I want to work with. There's sometimes you enter certain offices and you're like, nahi yaar, ye to, I can just be out. I don't know, it happens with me.
Speaking of fantastic cast, tell me, how was that experience? Who was the most fun person on set to work with?
Akshay sir, obviously, he is the most fun person on a set of a film like Khel Khel Mein, because I feel like in some way he's also the most experienced, right? So he's also trying to make sure that everyone is doing their best, everyone is having a good time. It's a comedy film, right? And also a comedy film of like 7 friends. So we all kind of also had to be like friends and live like friends and, be comfortable with each other to be able to perform and do our best. So he kind of in some way really made sure that, he's keeping the energy light on set. We're all eating together, listening to songs together, playing games together. So he was the one who initiated everything. So I feel he has to be the funnest person.
बेबी के पास बैठ, क्योंकि बेबी को ना तेरा बेस पसंद है. देख, कैसी सूख गई है.
What rubbish? मैं तो जानती थी कोई prank ही हुआ.
Of course, Nana. तभी तो एक सांस में आधा ग्लास वाइन पी गई तो.
Speaking of Balakrishnan sir, tell me, how was it to work with him? I believe he's a lot into astrology and all that, right? Did you get to see that side of him?
All the time. He's really into it. He is like an encyclopedia of everything in the world. He's somebody who knows the position of moons and stars and the time and he's really into a lot of those things. He's very religious, so he does a lot of chanting and prayers and and that too, different hours of the day, different days, he has like a different prayer. So he's into a lot of different things. He's a politician, so he's into political things. He's an artist, he's an actor, so he's definitely into cinema and he ends up watching so much while even we're on set. So I feel like I got to experience not just the astrology bit, I got to experience so many things. But yes, with astrology, the cute little things that used to happen would be like, आज का फर्स्ट शॉट इतने बजे होना है, हमारा नेक्स्ट शेड्यूल इस दिन में शुरू होगा, because it's अमावस्या और पूर्णिमा or some alignment or something like that. So I mean, for me it's very thrilling, because you feel like हाँ ये तो कुछ पॉजिटिव बात होगी.
We also have Bobby Deol sir in the mix. What was it like to work with him?
He's just so nice and so sweet. But obviously on screen he gets these fierce, ferocious, like very strong, powerful, menacing characters, and he does complete justice to it. So I feel like I'm so blessed that he's a part of our film, and he's looking terrific as Balwant Singh Thakur. He's done such a brilliant job.
लगता है शेर ने शिकार किया होगा सर जी. कौन है रे तू?
Okay, let's turn back the clock a little. From a qualified lawyer to becoming an actor. Tell me, was acting always on the cards? Was it a conscious choice?
Yeah, of course. I mean, while I was studying in law school, I realized that this is not my cup of tea and I definitely want to try something else. And that's how I think movies started. I mean, I was kind of modeling on the side as like, as a part-time thing. And I was enjoying it so much. And that's when I was like, I think I can pursue this a bit more seriously. And after my law school, I moved to Bombay and started modeling and a little bit of acting. And then, films was just the natural progression.
अच्छा मुरली कृष्णा, एक बात कह देती हूँ, हमें जो लोग अच्छे लगते हैं सिर्फ हम उन्हीं के साथ फ्रेंडली होते हैं। हमारी बात थोड़ी कड़वी हो सकती है लेकिन हम बहुत दिल वाले होते हैं। चलेगा ना तुम्हें? बाय द वे, क्या तुम मुझे पसंद करते हो? जिस तरह से तुमने स्टेज पर मेरी तारीफ की, मेरा दिल खुश हो गया। आज मेरे बर्थडे वाले दिन मुझे डबल खुश किया। ऐसा लगता है कि तुम मुझ पर लाइन मार रहे हो। सही कहा ना?
Out of all the roles you have played so far, tell me which one taught you the most, or say was the most challenging for you so far?
Kanche in Telugu, I learnt my most there. Because that was literally my training school. That was the first time I was working on a proper film set with like the best of the technicians, the best director, and had to look a certain way, talk a certain way, walk a certain way. So, all the learning that I actually have today has come from there, from my first film.
ये कैसा पागलपन है?
हमें आए 4 दिन हो गए हैं। दिखाई नहीं दोगी तो कैसे होगा प्रिंसेस?
हाँ जी, जैसे मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ ना यहाँ।
आपसे दूर रहकर मुझे नींद नहीं आती है। बहुत बातें करना चाहता हूँ।
अच्छा, इस बार अगर दूर हुए तो हर बार अपनी बात एक चिट्ठी में लिख कर रख लेना।
सिर्फ चिट्ठी लिखना ही काफी होगा या फिर कानों में गुपचुप बातें भी कहनी होंगी?
But when I did Khel Khel Mein, I felt exactly the same. I felt like I've ventured a brand new world that I probably know nothing about, despite having done multiple films in Telugu. There's so much that I had to explore and I had to pull out from myself. That it had its own challenges. I had never done a Hindi language film before. That too with an ensemble cast on the same table with 6 terrific actors. Like you're not just playing a heroine ki bhai hum heroine aa gayi hai. Means it was a full performance oriented role.
मेरे कुछ फैशन सर्किट के फ्रेंड्स का मानना है कि मेरी अगली कलेक्शन के लिए मुझे कुछ आउटफिट्स में खुद पिक्चर्स भी करनी चाहिए। नाइस। तो मैं सोच रही थी कि अगर मैं
मॉडलिंग करोगी?
Come on, baby. I wanted to surprise you.
My God, look at his face now. He actually is looking surprised. Come on, do his surprise face. Cheers, everybody, cheers. Cheers.
Let's do a quick fun segment with you.
Ji.
These are few of my favorite things trivia. I'm gonna ask you a quick question. You have to give a quick response.
Ji.
Your favorite color?
Oh, so many. Red, green.
Your favorite actor and why?
Balakrishna sir, because I've worked with him twice.
Your favorite actress and why?
Rakul Preet Singh, because she's one of my closest friends.
Your favorite food?
My favorite food cuisine is Japanese. I love sushis. But agar pooche comfort food, then dal khichdi, home food basically.
Your all-time favorite film?
Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge.
Finally, your favorite kind of music?
यार I'm a universe. I'm a music lover. मुझे ना मैं पंजाबी, हिंदी, तेलुगु, तमिल, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक, ट्रांस मैं सब सुनती हूँ. मूड पे है बस.
मेरी राह तेरी तरफ, तेरी राह और कहीं मैं चला तेरी तरफ, तू चले और कहीं.
So what next for you? How soon do we get to see you after this?
I'm shooting for a film called Tyson Naidu in Telugu, so hopefully in 2025 itself you will see me in that film.